Welcome to the Daily Quiz, where you'll have to choose between yes, no, or maybe to win some epic prizes. It's gonna be fun. So smash that subscribe button for more awesome videos like this. Thanks and good luck! Would you like this food? Great start, it's Golden Pizza. Would you like to have this car? Oh, it's Garbage Truck. Do you accept this challenge? Don't laugh. Do you want this phone? iPhone 15 Pro Max, did you get it? Do you like to do this? Kissing on the sea at sunset. Would you remove this app from your phone? Oh no, TikTok app. Do you accept this gift? Lamborghini. Do this for $100,000? Throw away your favorite shoes. Do this for $1 million? Conquer Mount Everest solo. You should think carefully. Would you talk to this person? Steve Harvey. Would you live here for the rest of your life? Luxurious modern house. Do you want to eat this? Eat balut. Would you do this for $1 billion? Naked in Antarctica for 8 hours. Do you like to drink this before eating? Lemon juice. Would you complete this simple challenge? Turn on the notification bell if you choose yes. Subscribe to the channel if you choose no. Like the video if you choose maybe. Would you like to take a bath here? Hot water. Would you trade your phone for this? A yacht. Would you like to experience this? Camel riding. Do you like to do this? Farting in the cinema. Would you lick this for $10? Lick 2 ice creams. Would you listen to this music to fall asleep? Music of the game Dead Forest. Would you like this to happen to you? Travel around the world for free. Would you like to spend a week here? Zoo. Do you accept having dinner with him? Messy. Would you like to play this sport? Skydiving. Do you like to eat this? Hamburger. Do you accept this challenge? Let's do this green frog dance. Would you bring this to your home? All this gold. Would you join this person's game? Mr. Beast. Do you want to travel across America in this car? Bugatti. Would you like to eat this? Durian. Would you like this animal? Crocodile. Would you kiss this person? Taylor Swift. Do you like to stay here for one night? Underwater resort. Would you like to open your eyes and see this? You're on the island. Would you want to experience this? Bungee jumping. Do you want to drink this? Pepsi. Would you like to watch this movie? Mario. Would you like to see this? Shiba Inu tongue out. Do you want to do this for $50? Embrace yourself. Would you like to relax more? Relax in the sky hammock. Would you take care of him? Oh wow, cute puppy. Do you like this? Sing. Would you travel to this place? Vietnam. Would you like to drink this? Coca-Cola. Do you want to meet him in person? confide in? Would you adopt this animal? Chihuahua. Would you accept this job? Singer. Would you buy this car? A hot dog car. Would you play this video game? Roblox. Would you participate in this game in real life? Squid Game. Would you invite him to your birthday party? PewDiePie. Would you buy this phone? Broken iPhone. Would you like to live here? This villa is so beautiful. Would you eat a slice of this cake? A rainbow cake. Would you accept this gift? Diamond ring. Would you take care of him? Would you like to spend your vacation here? A water park. Would you like to visit this place? A luxury resort. Just choose one button. Like the video if you chose yes. Thank you for participating in today's challenge. Don't forget to check your results, comment below to let us know your score. Remember to press the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the next quiz videos. Goodbye!